This is the Works metal wood crafting tool. Think high-tech wood burner and a streamlined portable soldering tool. Let me get it out of the box and onto the workbench. The tool is comfortable and easy to handle. There's several small buttons on the handle, as well as a digital temperature readout. It comes with a small workbench rest. I think you'll be very pleased with the assorted tips and soldering points that Works offers. Take some time to review the manual, look over the safety material. Also, fill out the 3-year warranty card. Note the 3-pin hookup in the back. This tethers to a 4-foot cord that connects you to the MakerX hub. Couldn't be simpler or safer. The MakerX hub is the on and off switch, the power for the tool itself. It operates on a 20-volt battery. Note the share program. Turn the tool on. It comes to work heat in just a few seconds. Makes soldering easy. I'm soldering some small alligator clips on the lead launch wires for an Estes rocket my grandson and I built. We believe, too, we can build a much better launcher than the ones you have to purchase. I love being able to take this tool out in the field. No trips back to the shop if we break a wire or if we want to do some wiring changes on the fly. The MakerX gets a thumbs up from me.